What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. I apologize for getting this video out a little late. I've just got back from my vacation. I spent 3 weeks in Bangkok, Thailand, visiting my girlfriend Milk. If you've been following my page for a while, you definitely had seen her in a couple of videos. We spent Christmas and New Year's there, went to an amazing mountain resort spot called Toscana Valley. I'm still pretty new to YouTube, so I'm not super comfortable doing vlog style outdoor content yet. I figured I could do some kind of outfit travel vlog for you guys instead. I didn't have my camera on me all the time, so this week we have a mix of camera and iPhone footage. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro Max and the footage actually came out really well. But yeah, let's jump right into it, guys. We've got 6 looks from my recent trip to Bangkok. Look 1 was my second or third day in Bangkok. We've got a Wacko Maria Biggie collab tee, Carhartt double knee pants, Celine snapback, and the Aimé Dore 993s. Going with the brown and black combo for this fit, we've got the brown hits, also matching the brown on the Biggie graphic. I ended up linking with Kicks TQ that day, one of the sneaker OGs of Instagram. We both just happened to be in Bangkok at the same time, and during these COVID times, it was really nice being able to link up with some international friends again. Next up, we have look 2. We've got this Aimé Dore rose tee in cream and red, Aimé Dore Yankees cap, a Comme des Garçons zipper cargo pant, and the Jordan 1 neutral grey lows on feet. I scored those pants at 60% off from an outlet sale at one of the malls. I loved the vintage green wash on it, and the zipper details were amazing too. Tried them on real quick and they actually fit me perfectly. For 60% off, you know I had to snag it up. This was probably our second week where we traveled out to the mountains. This area was called Khao Yai, where the temperature drops to about 20 degrees Celsius or 68 Fahrenheit. The scenes out there were so beautiful. This time we've got a long sleeve Aimé tee with a pear graphic on the back, Gucci light washed blue denim, Aimé tote bag in cream and green, and the off-white 4s on feet. I love this look. It's really chill and assimilates really well with the nature elements in the back, with the hint of green and cream. Look 4 was taken at one of the fountain areas in our resort. The vibes out there were beautiful. I feel like it came straight out of a Celine lookbook, honestly. Anyways, we have the black Celine snapback once again, a chrome hearts tee on the inner, this leather jacket in a beautiful blue colorway, black Junior Watanabe denim, and the Jordan 1 lows in neutral grey. I still can't get over how elegant that spot was, especially with the statues in the back. At this point, we were fully embracing that cool, clean mountain air with a brown and cream fit. We have this Aimé bomber jacket in a dark brown and red, Carhartt beanie, the Aimé rose tee, Carhartt pants, and the Aimé 993s once again. This was actually taken at the balcony of our hotel room too. If you're following me on IG, you would have seen a short room tour I did on my stories. The room itself was amazing, but man, wait till you see that view. Lastly, to wrap things up, this was towards the end of our trip. Finishing it off with some green and white, we have a white beanie, opening ceremony and Dickies collab pinstripe pants, cream tee for the layering, Aimé Dore and green jumper on top, the Aimé Dore and New Balance 550s in green and white on feet too. Of course, we gotta add some pearls in there too for some light white hits. And that's gonna be it for this week's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog style lookbook. Let me know if you enjoy this style of showcasing my outfits, and let me know which is your favorite look from the 6 outfits too. Again, I'm still not super comfortable doing the whole vlogging thing outdoors yet, but maybe I'll transition into that one day. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.